Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do Mr. Jackie Chan's Kip Up. Ready? So what you want to do is start rolling. Boom, because you want to be on your bridge of your back here, right into the trapezius muscles, just like this. Just practice like this. Then you can try. I've seen people try to do the back bend, and that kind of works to it. But to be honest with you, I'm all self-taught, so I just started figuring out how to do it. Okay, and what I would do is you want to take your momentum. You want to be like a spring. Start by the rolling. Boom. All right. Now what we're going to do is put our hands just like that. So roll back. Boom. I'm going to try to slow it down a little bit. Roll back. Spring. There you go. All right, if you enjoyed that video, like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you want to see me in action, click right here. If you just want to watch another video like this, click right here, subscribe. And if you just want to watch some TV or film, click right here.